baby?
Welcome back to Stewpendous Taste Test 2022. Today we are trying the beautiful Oxheart Heirloom. I'm pretty sure it's a disease-resistant variety. Isn't that beautiful? It lives up to its name. It's in the shape of a heart.
Hold it down towards here.
Oxheart.
So you can see the light on it. Oh, that looks nice.
I'm so excited to try it.
Give it a cut.
This is actually a couple days old, but it's still really firm. So we're gonna give it a go before it gets bad.
What is it? The raspberry liana that's heart-shaped, and this one?
The raspberry liana is, and it's a pink shape.
I think it would be cool to maybe try to cross these two and see what it ends up looking like.
Depends on what this tastes like.
Right.
You get a picture of it?
Let me see the flip side. Tilt it down. I can kind of see the top.
Oh.
Good.
Alright. Ready?
Yep.
Cheers.
Cheers. I feel like the texture is aged.
And probably
the inside's probably
flavor.
not as I don't know. Feels like the texture, the structure's broken down a little bit because it's been a couple days old because we were saving it for the video. My first one ever. Oh, but then the juice on the side had some tarty sweetness to it.
Yeah. It's very juicy, and I did have a sweet bite. So I'm thinking it's probably a really sweet heirloom.
I feel like a sauce tomato this would be good for.
Yeah.
Looking at it all bitten up. It's a lot of meat with some gel and stuff to sweeten it.
We'll do another one right off, fresh, straight off the vine. Because I'm pretty sure there's a couple more out there coming on. So. Oxheart Tomato. Thanks for stopping by. Stewpendous.